President Donald Trump says Venezuela's so-called interim authorities will now provide between 30 and 50 million barrels of what he called high-quality oil to the United States, sold at market price and shipped directly to American ports. The announcement came just days after a US military operation in Caracas that resulted in the capture of Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro and his transfer to the United States to face federal drug trafficking charges. Venezuelan officials say that at least 24 security officers were killed in the overnight raid. Prosecutors in Caracas claim that the true toll may be higher, with dozens of officers and civilians dead, and have vowed to investigate what they describe as a war crime. President Trump said that the oil would be transported by storage ships and unloaded directly at US docks. He added that the proceeds would be controlled by the US president, but claimed the money would benefit both Venezuelans and Americans. The White House is now preparing for a closed-door Oval Office meeting with executives from Exxon, Chevron, and ConocoPhillips to discuss Venezuela's oil sector and future access to its reserves. In Caracas, Venezuela's acting president Delcy Rodriguez rejected US pressure. Mr. Trump has warned she could face consequences worse than Maduro's if she does not realign the country with US interests. Venezuela's military released a video tribute to fallen security forces as state-organized rallies briefly returned to the streets of Caracas. With oil prices hovering around $56 a barrel, the deal Trump announced could be worth up to $2.8 billion, enough to supply the US with roughly 2.5 days of oil consumption. Venezuela, for its part, holds the largest proven oil reserves in the world, estimated at more than 303 billion barrels according to OPEC data published last year. But despite that, vast resource wealth, years of sanctions, political instability, and underinvestment have crippled production. And analysts warn that the removal of Venezuela's president by force is likely to deepen instability, not resolve it.